Douglas. Golden Performances. Gabby Douglas has an amazing ability to learn complicated things very quickly. She taught herself how to do a one-handed cartwheel when she was 3 years old. She had to learn how to live with a new family, train with a new coach, and live far from home when she was just 14. Gabby has always been willing to take risks to improve, even if they seem frightening at first. Now, she is one of the most famous gymnasts in the world. When Gabby was 14, she moved away from her family in Virginia Beach to train with a new coach in Des Moines, Iowa. That meant she had to live with a new family, the Partons. It was hard for Gabby to leave her mother, but she was confident this new coach, Liang Chao, would help her improve enough to achieve her dream of becoming an Olympic gymnast. Liang quickly proved that Gabby was right in taking the risk to move halfway across the country. Gabby had become a member of the U.S. national team around the time she joined Liang, but Liang's coaching helped Gabby go from an average member on the team to one of its best. Liang also trained U.S. Olympic gold medal winner Shawn Johnson, so Gabby received valuable advice from a gymnast she admired. Liang helped Gabby correct some of her techniques and improve the quality of her routines. He also told Gabby to enjoy herself and smile more while she trained. He helped Gabby improve her focus so she could be more consistent during events. Gabby told Time magazine that Liang brings out what I didn't know I had inside of me. Gabby soon saw the results of her improved training. She won second place in the uneven bars at the 2011 CoverGirl Classic in Chicago. She also helped the U.S. finish first at the World Championships in Japan. Gabby continued to improve as the 2012 Olympics drew near. She won first place on the uneven bars at 3 competitions in 2012, including the U.S. Olympic trials. U.S. Women's National Team Coordinator Martha Caroli nicknamed Gabby the Flying Squirrel because her release moves on the uneven bars were so high in the air. Even though Gabby was winning all these events, some people doubted her ability to succeed at the London Olympics. She fell off the balance beam during the 2012 Nationals, which cost her first place in the all-around competition. Then Caroli criticized Gabby at the 2012 Olympic trials when Gabby looked at the crowd before beginning her routine on the balance beam. Gabby admits that she sometimes has problems focusing, especially with so many people watching. But Liang has taught Gabby how to focus and believe in herself. After falling off the beam at Nationals, Gabby performed flawlessly during the 2012 Olympic trials. She finished first in the all-around competition and in the uneven bars. After the Olympic trials, Caroli admitted that she has never seen someone improve as quickly as Gabby, who easily earned a spot on the 2012 U.S. Olympic team. Gabby became the first African American to compete with the U.S. Olympic gymnastics team since Dominique Dawes in 2000. Gabby was thrilled to fulfill her dream of competing in the Olympics, but it wasn't enough for her just to get there. She wanted to win a gold medal. Gabby was part of an amazing U.S. team nicknamed the Fierce Five. Gabby said the team bonded extremely well, which helped them win gold medal in the team competition for the first time since 1996. Everyone on the team performed flawlessly, as the U.S. was comfortably ahead during the entire competition. They finished over 5 points ahead of Russia, which is a huge margin in Olympic gymnastics. U.S. coach John Gedart said the Fierce Five was the best gymnastics team of all time. Gabby's incredible Olympic performance continued during the individual all-around competition. This involves gymnasts competing in all 4 events, which makes it one of the most coveted medals to win. Gabby was outstanding in every event. She started by nailing her routine on the vault, which was a complex one that only a few gymnasts in the world could do. Then she earned a good score on the uneven bars. All of her tumbling moves on the 4-inch wide balance beam were solid. Finally, she dazzled the crowd with a lively floor routine to win the gold medal in the all-around competition. It was the first time an African American won gold in the all-around. Liang did not want Gabby to look at the scoreboard during the all-around competition. Even though she took a quick peek near the end, Gabby understood Liang's message of staying focused on her routines and not the other competitors. Gabby said her attitude was to believe that she could dominate every event she competed in. As a result, Gabby won 2 gold medals at the Olympics. It's very difficult for gymnasts to compete in 2 Olympics since they are 4 years apart. Only 6 American gymnasts have competed in more than 1 Olympics since 1990. but Gabby was able to earn a spot on the 2016 U.S. Olympic team. Her leadership and skill on the uneven bars persuaded the coaches to select her. Gabby was solid during the team competition in Rio de Janeiro and helped the U.S. win another gold medal in the team competition. They won in dominating fashion, finishing nearly 10 points ahead of China. While Gabby is working on perfecting some of her routines, she feels like she is stronger mentally and physically than she was in 2012. She sometimes FaceTimes her mom and jokes, "Mom, look at my arms," because she is so strong. Gabby's determination and leadership helped keep the U.S. as the world's best team during the 2016 Olympics. Biles, dominating gymnastics. Simone Biles was a celebrity even before she competed in the Olympics. In 2013, the gymnast had such an amazing tumbling move on the floor exercises that it became known as the Biles. She holds the record with 10 gold medals at the World Championships, all of which she earned between 2013 and 2015. Former Olympic champions say Simone is the most incredible gymnast they have ever seen. Simone has dominated the gymnastics world for the last several years, highlighted by winning 5 medals at the 2016 Olympics. Simone started taking gymnastics classes in 2003 when she was 6 years old. By 2009, Simone often won multiple events at competitions. In 2011, Simone hoped to make the U.S. junior national team, but her 7th place finish on vault at nationals was 1 spot short of making the team. Simone responded to this setback by working even harder. Her mom started homeschooling her, which meant Simone could train longer during the day and do her school assignments at night. Simone's coach, Amy Borman, helped Simone do better at the 2012 U.S. Nationals and earn a spot on the U.S. junior national team. She moved up to the senior team in March 2013. Simone was not able to compete for a spot at the 2012 London Olympics because she was a year too young. So that meant Simone had to compete at a high level for almost 4 years in order to compete at the Olympics, which is quite challenging for a gymnast. But Simone and her coach were up for the challenge. In addition to working hard, Amy says her student always keeps an incredible attitude about training for 7 hours a day, 5 days per week. Amy says she has this ray of light that shoots out of her when she competes. Even when she was 8 years old, she could draw in the crowds. While some gymnasts excel in 1 or 2 events, Simone has worked hard to be strong in all 4 events: balance beam, vault, uneven bars, and floor exercise. Simone showed her brilliance at the 2013 World Championships when she won a gold medal in the all-around, which totals a gymnast's scores in all 4 events. Simone also won gold on floor exercise, silver on vault, bronze on balance beam, and 4th on uneven bars. Simone has such an amazing tumbling move during her floor exercise that it became known as the Biles, which is a double layout with a half twist. Most gymnasts struggle to land properly after doing a double layout, but Simone can land it and even do an extra half twist. All of this is more impressive considering it was Simone's first time competing at the World Championships. Simone also enjoyed seeing her teammate and close friend Kyla Ross win silver in the all-around. It was the first time 2 Americans won gold and silver in the all-around at the World Championships. Simone also dominated during the 2014 and 2015 World Championships. She led the U.S. to gold medals in the team events both years as the U.S. established itself as the world's best team. But Simone was the star of the show both years. She won gold in the all-around both times, making her the first female gymnast to win gold in the all-around at 3 straight World Championships. She also won gold on balance beam and floor exercise at the World Championships in 2014 and 2015. She had a long layoff before her next competition, which was the Pacific Rim Championships in April 2016. But the long layoff did not affect Simone. Even though she tried a new routine on floor, she still won gold in the all-around. She also won gold on floor, vault, and balance beam. Even after such a dominating performance, Simone said she was eager to watch the video of her routines because she knew there were things she could improve. Anyone who watches Simone is amazed at her ability. Crowds love how insanely high she jumps during her floor routines. During the Pacific Rim in 2016, the television announcer said she could do her floor routine to Mary Had a Little Lamb and still win. It proved she was the world's best gymnast at the 2016 Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. She became the first American gymnast to win 4 gold medals at one Olympics. She won the all-around by over 2 points, which is a huge margin in gymnastics. She also won a bronze, which means she won medals in all 5 events she competed in. She was selected to carry the U.S. flag to the closing ceremony. Simone was so famous by the end of the Olympics that everyone wanted to take a selfie with her. So many athletes kept stopping Simone to take a selfie with her while she was going into the stadium that they had to delay the closing ceremony. Former gymnasts are stunned at how good Simone is. Shannon Miller won 5 medals at the 1992 Olympics, then 2 more in 1996. Even she can't believe that Simone is so good in every event. Shannon said, "Simone is the one everyone is trying to catch up with. She takes these very intricate, demanding skills and makes them look so incredibly easy. She also has a good sense of humor. During the medal ceremony at the 2013 World Championships, all 3 of the medal winners were given a huge bouquet of flowers to hold while they received their medals. Another girl told Simone that there was a bee on her bouquet of flowers. Even though the ceremony was about to start, Simone frantically tried to shake the bee off. She threw her bouquet on the ground and ran around the medal stand trying to escape the bee. The other girls were laughing at Simone, who also had a good laugh about it once the bee flew away. But no one is going to be laughing at Simone any longer after she completed one of the most incredible performances by any gymnast in Olympic history. Quiz: Golden performances and dominating gymnastics. Number 1. Which describes something that Simone and Gabby experienced? A. They moved far away from home at a young age to receive better gymnastics training. B. They had lots of success before they competed in the Olympics for the first time. C. They won 2 gold medals at the 2012 Olympics. D. They have a floor exercise routine named after them. Number 2. If someone wanted to argue that Simone Biles is the world's best gymnast, which paragraph from the passage, Dominating Gymnastics, includes details that would best support this person's argument? A. Paragraph 3. B. Paragraph 4. C. Paragraph 7. D. Paragraph 9. Number 3. Which statement is best supported by the details in paragraph 2 of the passage, Golden Performances? A. Gabby is willing to take risks to achieve her dreams. B. Gabby did not like living with her family when she was young. C. Gabby was unsure if she would like being a gymnast when she was 14 years old. D. Gabby was a very talented gymnast when she was 3 years old. Number 4. Write evidence that shows why people were confident Gabby would do well at the 2012 Olympics. Then, write evidence that shows why people were confident that Simone would do well at the 2016 Olympics. Writing prompt. Summarize how hard Gabby and Simone have worked to achieve so much success. Include text evidence to support your answer. Then describe something that you would work hard to achieve. Describe how you would achieve this goal and why it's important to you.